Okay, good morning. So today we will be going to discuss about the answers to quiz 1 in the finance, and we will discuss new topic, fans and blowers with sample problems. So we'll start with the first agenda, which is answers to quiz 1. So dili lang na ako isuwat ang words, but I will draw the picture, the schematic of the problem. Okay, so this is your problem 1. You have a Francis turbine. So the Francis turbine has a distance gikan sa iyahang center sa iyahang end sa turbine og 1 meter niya from the start to the end of the tail race or the tail water. We have 3 meters. Then we assume that the velocity at exit of the turbine is negligible. Then we have the head of the water that is flowing to be approximately static head niya 38 meters. Okay, so we have Q of 2.1 meter per cubic meter per second. We have velocity of that is entering as at 5 meter per second. So we are trying to find here the head utilized. So ang gipangita diri kay ang utilized head, no? So basically the utilized head for Francis turbine is P over gamma plus C plus BA squared minus BB squared over 2G. So, okay, since we have the velocity B is negligible, so approximately equal to 0. So, we substitute. So, assuming that the static head is already in meters, so no need to convert that or to divide that with gamma, kaya naka-meter naman siya. Plus Z of 1 plus 3 plus 5 squared over 2 times 9.81. Actually, minus 0. Negligible, approximately equal to 0. So this will result that the utilized head here is 43.27 meters. Okay? Or, okay, muna siya. Or 47.3 meters. So muna siya may na-utilize head sa turbine. So number 2, we have a Pilton runner. Okay? Have that the velocity here is equal to 0.35 meter per second. Okay, we have also the pressure to have 275 kPa. Okay, so we have the diameter of the runner to be 550 mm and the end to be 520 rpm. So we are trying to find for the speed factor or the peripheral coefficient theta. So we know that peripheral coefficient theta is pi dn, o actually 2 pi rn na siya niya, ang 2 ug ang r is d, na siya equivalent ra na siya gihapon, over square root of 2gh. Okay, so here, okay, so we have diameter n, we have g, wala tana, the utilized head in the Pelton wheel. So the utilized head in the Pelton wheel is P over gamma, okay, plus B squared over 2G, no? Sometimes H, pero say makompuse mo ng mga tao sa net head o sa utilized head mo nang butangan na nakog sub U. Okay, so we have 275 kilonewton per square meter over 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter plus 0.35 squared over 2 times 9.81. So the answer would be 28.039 meters. So now nanata din ha, pwede na to isudira. So we have pi times 0.550 meters times, so kini siya radians per revolution times 520 revolution per minute. So makancel na yung revolution niya. Okay, anyway, kining 2R nahimo na siyang D, so okay na siya. So 1 minute 60 seconds para ma-meter per second ang yung unit sa babaw. Square root of 2 times 9.81 times 28.039. So the peripheral coefficient is approximately equal to 0.628. Ano, wala yung meters. 0.628 ra. Na. So we have number 3. So we have entering pressure at 50 psi. Nya ang exit nga pressure, for example, this is P suction side, P discharge side. Discharge side na ay 30 psi. Okay. So the Q is 205 cubic feet per second. Okay. Calculate the power in megawatts. Okay, so that is a problem. So solution, we know that power is gamma Q H. Wala may efficiency gihatag. Mura na yato ang magamit. So we know natay kana wala tani. So we solve for H. May lain diha. Kana rong duha. So H is P discharge minus P suction over gamma. Okay? So remember that this is in PSI. So P discharge. Ako na bali? Pichik. Ako na bali? Hmm. Ang sarap ni. Okay. Okay, so technically we will just be going to get the kuan. So the absolute value of this P discharge minus P suction, because anyway this pressure is larger than the exit. So kung atong kuan mag-negative man ang iyang net pressure. So meaning that will not produce power. So basically we will just get the positive absolute. So we will just use the 50 here and the 30 here. So para positive ang iyang result, meaning maka-generate og power, no? Kaya anyway wala man ni suction, just so happen nga ang P suction side is from the penstock which is from the elevated head. So this is pounds per inch square, okay, times, okay, so 12 square inch square over 1 square feet. So cancel ang inch square, so pounds per square feet na siya, kay ang gamma sa water na to dire is 62.4 pound force per cubic feet. So that will result in a unit of feet, kaya makancel ang pound force, makancel ang square feet, so will remain is only 1 feet. So to makuha na to ang pilay net head, pilay head nga ni sod. Okay, so ang head nga ni sod is approximately equal to 46 46.154 feet. So now we have the amount of head that is used to generate energy. Then we can now go back to the power formula. So you know that the power is gamma Q head. Okay? So we have that the gamma of water is 62.4 pound force per cubic feet. Then we have the Q to be 105 cubic feet per second. Okay, times head of 46.154 feet. Okay, so this will cancel the cubic feet, that will give you foot pound per second times ang answer ani. You know that 550 foot pound per second, 1 horsepower nya 1 horsepower is 0.746 kilowatt nya 1,000 kilowatt 1 megawatt. Okay, cancel the horsepower, cancel the foot pound per second, cancel the kilowatt. So what will result is a unit of in megawatts, no? That is approximately 0.80 megawatts. Okay, so muna siya. So we have number 4. Okay, so number 4, we are given with we are asked to solve for overall efficiency of the the plant, no? The hydroelectric power plant. And we know that the output power is simply gamma Q H times efficiency overall, because one siya efficiency because this is power producing. So power producing, the efficiency will be multiplied. Power consuming, the efficiency will be divided. So this is power producing because there is an output power of 15 megawatts, or approximately equal to 15,000 kilowatts. This is equals to 9.81. Okay, we are given with a Q. 10 cubic meter per second. This is kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, times 170 meters of head. Okay, so times pump efficiency. So the pump efficiency is the one to be solved. So shift solved na lang siya. Okay, kini, cancel cubic meter. Okay, so kilonewton meter per second is kilowatts. So the overall efficiency is 0.8994 or 89.94%. Okay? So basically na din hadapit ang efficiency sa imuhang plant. So number 5, actually I look at the solution in the book, and the solution of the book is somewhat misleading, no, because there is pump efficiency and it is not mentioned that the type of hydroelectric power plant is a power plant uses a pump storage system. So therefore, I believe that the solution to the problem, because we already have the power output. So the power output in number 5 is 1000 kilowatt hour. Okay, so in a assumed to be daily, meaning it is in a 24-hour operation. So power rating times the hour, the pila ka hour shift under, no, within a day. So remember that from this formula, PO is gamma QH times efficiency overall. So we already given with the output power. So the input power is supposed to be the water power, because that is the power that is inputted to the system. Then ang nigawas ang power output or ang power nga nigawas sa generator. Therefore, ang giagian niya is ang efficiency. So katong efficiency sa turbine, man na ilang gipanggamit diha. So ang efficiency sa turbine is equal to efficiency hydraulic times efficiency mechanical times efficiency volumetric. So this is problem. Efficiencies, hydraulic meaning utilized head over net head. Mechanical efficiency, losses due to mechanical work and losses due to. So then we are already given with the generator efficiency. We are given with that. So I believe that the efficiency of the system, niagi siya sa turbine, kani turbine consider na tanan times efficiency sa generator. So it's simply that the total efficiency sa imuhang plant is 0.95 times 0.83. So kino siya sa turbine man siya, total turbine efficiency. So mo na siya, given mo na, given sa generator efficiency. So meaning, niagi siya sa turbine, niagi siya sa generator. So kung i-times sa nimo duha, muna na efficiency sa tibuok. Okay, hasta ang problem, hasta ang nag-solve sa problem, wasa siya kasabot ba? Dun sa iyang point. So, para naka-generate siya output, ang input power niya isang hydropower. Okay, ang water power, no? So, times efficiency sa generator, efficiency sa generator times turbine. So, muna siya efficiency overall, no? So, kini siyang total turbine efficiency, kay given na, niagi naman na siya ng hydraulic, mechanical, o kaning volumetric. Nga, plus meaning this is considering the turbine and all the mechanical things. So the generator considers the motor. So therefore, kana. So that is near to the overall. Kay, di ba, 89.94%, somewhere there, 70 to 90%. Okay. So dinha dapit siya ang efficiency sa imong plant. I think that is the solution to the problem for number 5, because I don't agree with the solution of the book, because it considers pump power as the input power, and we are not using any pump here because this is not pump storage. Okay, so let us proceed to our new topic, which is fans and blowers. So fans and blowers are technically the same. So the only difference is that fans, the pressure ratio of fans P2 over P1, meaning P discharge over P suction. So kung naamo electric fan diha, ang likod, ang discharge ang atubangan, ang luyo ang suction. So ang ratio ana niya is 1.11 is to 1 gani, meaning 1.11 is to 1 ang ratio. Pana siya. Blower, ang pressure ratio ana niya is 1.2 is to 1. Meaning, kung nakay 1 PSI dito sa suction side, ang magawas ana diri sa discharge side is 1.2 PSI. So meaning, ang pressure ratio ana is 1.2 is to 1. That is blower, meaning kusog ang blower. Hinay-hinay ra ang pan, electric pan, ano ba? Electric pan, ceiling pan, ano na. So ang blower, kanang mga centrifugal blower, kusog nagkikina siya. Manay gamiton kasagaran sa mga ducting. Meaning ang iyang pressure ratio, ang technical definition na is ang output pressure is 1.2, ang ratio niya is 1.2 is to 1. Okay? So kung beyond na gani na, kung P2 over P1 is more than 1.2 is to 1, so gitawag na siya og compressor. So which is we will talk in the next topic. So karon dili ra ta mag-concentrate fans and blowers. So sa fans and blowers, Q1, so ang water, ang pump ninyo, Q1 is equals to Q2 gyud, because water is considered to be incompressible. Therefore, kung pilay volume flow nga ni-enter, mo sa na volume flow nga na-exit. But in fans, dili. Okay. In fans, Q1 is approximately equal to Q2. Kay ang air is compressible man ang air. So, pero, due to may ra kayo ang difference, negligible nira ang difference. Therefore, we assume that the Q in the is approximately equal to full 70 kPa cylindrical tank. So if I have an air column here, air column, to measure the pressure, remember, you could measure the pressure of something in terms of height of a fluid, no? Meaning anything that flows, it could be air, it could be water, no? Okay, so for example, in this situation, we use air column. Of course, the substance that is inside is air, no? So, okay, so from the formula, P is equals to gamma H. Assuming that we want to find the height of air. Okay, which is the head static. Kay static man siya. Kanang column, kanang mga column static man siya. Static head man na. So, okay. So if I want to find ano say pangalan ay? The height of the air in the air column. So the pressure is 70 kilonewton per square meter. Okay? We have that the gamma of air is density of air times gravity times head static of air. Okay. So we know that the density of air So this is 70 times 10 to the 3 Newton per square meter, kilo 1. Okay, we know that the density of air is 1.2 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay, times 9.81 meter per second squared. So this is Newton, kilogram meter per second squared, Newton per cubic meter. Okay, times head static of air. So the head static of air, meaning the height of air in the air column is 5,946.31 meters. Okay. Problem. So the problem in using kay ang air power nato, kung natay water power, which is kung sa ato ang katong gistudihan sa una is gamma water, Q water, H sa water, muna water power. Nasa tayo gitawag og air power. Ang air power muna pagsahay sa pump o sa fan, no? So gamma air Q times H static or H total sa air. H air. So meaning we need head of air, not head at water, head in water. Karon ang problema, one, we cannot see the meniscus of air in the air column. Okay. So, problem number one, we cannot see, di mo na tumibawaan, di mo na para sa water nga mo madlis. Ang air, di mo na mo madlis ang air. So, it will become an endless column. Okay. Dili ta kaybaw. Di para sa water ba nga na meniscus ba kaybaw ta? Kana 50 ml na siya. Kana 60 ml. Ang air wala man na meniscus. So dili ta kaybaw, bisan kaybaw pa ta kaybaw ta pila ka meter sa siya pero pangitaan di man kakita. Problem number 1. Problem number 2, the air column is very high. So you need to construct almost 6,000 meters of air column just to measure a pressure of 70 kilopascal. And bisan pag nakay almost 6,000 ka meter of air column, dili nimo makit-an ang meniscus. Useless. So nay problema ang air column. Nya remember, we need head of air. Nya ang head of air is kinahanglan nato para maksolve sa air power. So, giun sa pag-solve ang problema. So, assuming that this is our tank, which is 70 kPa, so again, ang water mo form og meniscus. So, if this is air inside, this is a pressure of air inside. So, we use okay. So, magbutang ta og tubig. So, assuming that there is pressure here inserted by the air, so iyang ining i-push ang water level to create a displacement. Head water. This is water. So, meaning, ma-measure na nato. So, ang problem 1, no meniscus karon at nahimuan na natog meniscus pinaagi sa pagbutang og water sa air column. So, nahimo na siyang water column. So, ang air ni transmit siyang pressure, yang iduot ni ang water para mo create og gitawag og head water. Okay, so we are using to solve the problem of number 1, which is air has no meniscus. Meaning wala dili makita ang badlis. Karon makita na. So pero nigamit ta og water. Okay, problem number 2. So, the air column is very high, meaning you need at least 6,000 meters to measure 70 kPa. Karon, 70 kPa is equals to gamma of water H water, no? Kanamta H water. So, 70 kilonewton per square meter is equals to 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter times head water. Okay. So we have head water to just approximately equal to 7.14 meters. So, gipamubo nato from almost 6,000 meters of dili mabasa nga meniscus to shorter na lang meters, no? Meaning wa nakabot og 8 meters. Nya makita pa jud nato ang meniscus. So gisulbad sa water ang problema sa air column. Iyang gisulbad. So you know that 70, assuming, no, sa atong example, 70 kPa is equals to gamma air H air katong sa una, no? Nya nga resad sa gigamitan og water column is the same pressure. 70 kPa is equals to gamma water H water. Therefore, we could make the generalization that gamma of air H of air is equal to gamma of water H of water. So meaning, in order for us, actually this is static head. So, in order for us to solve for the kay mo man gamiton sa air power, used in air power. Dili man ang head sa water, ang air man ang head, used for AP. So, kini dili man ni gamiton sa air power, kini man kana man kay air man, air power. So meaning, pero dili man ni ma-measure sa air column kay wa man ni meniscus. Gisulbat sa water. So therefore, H static sa air is equals to gamma water H water over gamma of air. So para ma-solve nimo pilay head static sa air, muagi ta sa head water. So muning H static sa air, gamma of water H water over gamma of air. Okay. So we now have that H static of air is gamma water H water over gamma of air. So you know that density gamma of water is density of water times G times H of water over density of air times G. So makancel ang G, pwede ra sana siya og density of water times head of water over density of air. So meaning na measure na ni nato mo man ni importante nato. Basta ang problema atong air column, number 1, dili ta kakita sa meniscus. Number 2, dili ta taas kaayo ang air column. So nigamit ta sa water para makit-an ang pilay meters sa pilay equivalent head static in air sa katong water gauge. Okay, so manang ayaw mo kahibong nganong ang formula sa fans and blowers na ay gamma sa water, na ay head sa water. Kay unlike sa pump nato nga automatic water dayon, kay makita man nato dayon pilay meniscus sa water. For example, measure nato ang water in terms of measure nato ang pressure in terms of height sa water, o measure man nato dayon. Kay mo form man siya og meniscus sa column. Kini siya dili man. So munang naglabot-labot si gamma nagpalabanta ni head water para ma-solve si head static of air. So karon talking to head static of air, natay gitawag og static air power. Meaning we only consider the static head because assuming that the velocity difference, remember that the pressure ratio of a fan or a blower, bisan pag moingon ka, is approximately equal to negligible because it is simply 1.1 is to 1, 1.2 is to 1. So that is very, very little difference in pressure. Therefore, gamay ra sana siya difference in terms of velocity. So mostly ang fan na ay gitawag og static air power. So ang static air power, ang iyang gi-consider lang is ang static head sa air. So gamma air Q times H static sa air. Okay. Itawag ni siya og static air power. Muna static air power. Meaning, you only consider the head diri ang static kay gi-consider niya nga ang velocity difference ha, squared over 2 times 9.81 is negligible, meaning 0.00 something, negligible. So nasa tayo gitawag og static break static air power. So break na siya. So gamma air Q head static sa air over efficiency sa pan static. So kung static imong gigamit, static air power ka, break static air power, ang gigamit ani nga efficiency sa mga katalog is static pan efficiency. Static lahi sa to ang total pan efficiency ha. Okay, so we are talking here about static air power and break static air power using static pan efficiency. Okay. So now, talking about, for example, we will consider the velocity as negligible as it is. Sige, ato i-consider. So, ang imong head total is equal to, of course, static head plus velocity head or dynamic head. So ang another name for static head is pressure head. Ang another name for velocity head is dynamic head. Oh, parehas na sila. Static plus dynamic equals total. So karon kung i-consider nimo, so ato sa i-express mathematically, this is P2 minus P1 over gamma of air plus B2 squared minus B1 squared over 2 times G. Okay, kana sa. So therefore, we have total air power. Okay. So ang total air power is considering heat total, dili static lang. So heat total is equal to total air power is equal to gamma air Q heat total. Okay. Okay. So then nasa tayo break total air power. Gamma air Q H total over total pan efficiency. Lahi sa to ang static pan efficiency sa total pan efficiency ha. Lahi na sila ha, di na sila parehas. Kay katong static pan efficiency, static head na to siya, ha? Dili na sila parehas. And we could also, since we know that the pressure cannot be directly measured in the meniscus, kani ba di na siya pwede diretso. Muagi kita ni sa air. So, sa water. Head water 1 minus head water 2 times gamma of water over gamma of air plus B2 squared minus B1 squared over 2G. Actually, naani siya plus summation of head loss. Okay? Pero, ang summation of head loss, sapo, naka-electric pan. Ang head loss, di ba, maagi mo tag length. So, approximately, walay length. Ang imong electric pan. Nya, wala sa siya, fittings kaayo. So, kini siya, negligible ni siya. Nil again. Nil. muga mo matir na siyang head loss adto sa ducting. Pero wala man ni ducting ang fan. Fan itself has no ducting. Okay, fan itself therefore has negligible head loss. Negligible, nil. So mo nang ingon ani ra ni atong total head. Kana ra. Kani nil ra na. Wala na. Tigbas na lang siya. Okay. So, natay muna ni siya. Brake total air power using total fan efficiency. Lahi sa ni ang static fan efficiency. Lahi sa na siya. Ha? Di na sila parehas. Ang result niya is brake static air power niya. I-consider sa static air power is simply the static head sa air. Okay. So, kung inyo ning drawingon, for example, we have a centrifugal fan. Ta naman sa inyong aircon. Nawa na daw sa ilaw, diba? That is an example of a centrifugal fan. Okay. Okay, so basically mo ni siya schematic diagram atong inyong head total. So head total is head water 2 minus head water 1 times gamma of water over gamma of air plus V2 squared minus V1 squared over 2G. Okay, so therefore, again, total air power gamma air Q H total, no? Brake total air power is gamma air QH total over total fan efficiency. Okay, so mo na siya, ha? So kung mo yung static air power, static head ra, dili consider ni. Ini. Kung total gani, consider ni siya ang velocity head. Okay, mo na siya. So nasa tayo gitawag og fan loss. Meaning manipulating one fan. For example, ang nako electric fan karon, nakita ko gamay nga palabad akong gitangtang, ilisan akong gamay nga palabad unsa may effect sa static head, unsa effect sa pressure sa Q, unsa effect sa kuan sa pressure o sa power. So, for example sad, akong like kada electric pa ninyo, akong number 1. So meaning ni gamay ang RPM. So kung ni gamay ang RPM from number 3, unsa effect sad sa Q, sa head o sa power. Like ako sa pisliton from number 1 na RPM hinay. So akong pisliton ang number 3 ni kusog. So unsa effect sa Q? Nidaghan ba ang Q? Nidaghan ni kusog ba ang power consumption? Ni unsay na effect sa head? So mo ni gitawag og fan loss. Meaning manipulating one fan. So ay mo kabalaka aning fan kay wala man ni siya kabitisyon kay ang fan dili man ni mo bukal, no? As kung inyo tong gitan-aw ang video sa kabitisyon, ang fan walay kabitisyon, so wala ni siya net positive suction head available or required. So awa mo kabalak-an sa kabitisyon ning fan kay di mo ni mo kabitit. So ang naa nato dire fan loss, no? So fan loss. For example, as I have explained, like patasan ninyo ang RPM sa inyong fan, like selecting from 1 to 3, pisilito ninyong 3, nikusog ang RPM sa effect sa Q, sa head, o sa power, no? So, muna siya. So, mentioning that, QHP, ND, so N is the RPM of the fan, D is the diameter of the fan, and we have density. Tulo na quantity. So this is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 5, 0, 1, 1. Meaning again, ang inyong erase og exponent kana ra sila. Muni ilang mga exponent. So kini siya may quantities. So like for example, Q1 over Q2 is equals to N1 over N2. Okay, so like H1 over H2 is equals to N1 over N2 squared. Okay, so inyo rin isundon, squared. Exponent ana. So remember, kinira siya mo erase og mga exponent. Nga, mo ni siyang mga exponent sa sud. Muna kitawag og pan loss. Okay, so for example, power sad P1 over P2 is equals to N1 over N2 cube. Okay, sa pan plus, katutong 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Pero sa pan, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, yan na pa density, 0, 1, 1. Meaning, okay, so meaning H1 over H2 is equals to D1 over D2 to the power of 1, no? Or simply equal to H1 over H2 is equals to D1 over D2, which is also equal to P1 over P2. Okay. So, muna siya may pan-loss. So, we have sample problems. So, ang importante ra nakasabot mo, diin to gikan ang gamma water ka mo man ay makadagdiman sa fans and blowers. Diin na gikan nganong abot mo ning heat water ring nga air man atong gigamit nya wa jud ko kasabot para sa ni heat water. Actually, gigamit ra na siya to solve the problems of air column. Number 1, there is no meniscus on air. Number 2, the air column is very high. So, to make it nga ma-read ang iyahang column is we use water, and mumubo we use water. And remember, pressure is equals to pressure, meaning gamma air, each air is equals to gamma water, each water. So we have sample problems. Pag nakasabot mo di inagi ka ng gamma water, each water equals gamma air, each air, daog na inyong fans and blowers. What is the HP supply to air? Okay, so what is the horsepower supplied to air, no, moving at 20 feet per minute through a 2x3 duct under a pressure of 3-inch water gauge? Actually, so by the way, when we are talking about sizes of pumps, tubes, pipe, coil, tubes, pipe, duct. Actually, kanang duct circular gina siya. So ang kitay coil, tubes, pipes, ducts. Okay, so mo na siya pangan, coil, kanang mga gagbay, kanang refrigerator coil, tubes nga gagmay kanang mag-circle. Oh. Tubes, kanang tubo, no? Tubos tubig. Tubes or kanang tubo sa injection, tubes, no? Pipes, ng mga pipe sa tubig, you know, water pipe na ducts, dagko na siya ducts, actually dagko na siya, pero ang problema, ang duct circle gina siya, bay walay duct na rectangle. Ang problema kay kung mao ni imong bahay, for example, mao ni front view sa imong bahay, yan na kay circle diha sa kilid, it consumes a lot of space. So ang buhaton na i-convert na nila to rectangular. Actually, circle ginang ducts, dili na siya para nindot tanawon. Dili ko no siya. Pero actually, mo ni pinaka-efficient. Kay kini na ni corner, produce may turbulence. Dili gidon tan advisable, pero ang mga architect, nahan man sila og rectangle kay nindot sa ilang mata. Ang nahala, sige, muna ang duct karon. Kung makita ninyo karon, pulos na rectangular ang shape. Pero actually, kana mga ginagmay nga ducts lang, like for example, mo branch out ni siya dere, yan na nasa diffuser din ha. Circle lang gigamit ana. Ha. Here na. Pwede rin siya circle. Pwede siya labaran sila ana. Kani labaran sila ni. So muna siya coil, tubes, pipe, duct. Balik ta diri. So air power. So we have air power and we are given only with static pressure. So assuming different delta velocity is negligible, nil, no? So we only calculate for the static air power is equals to gamma air Q H static sa air. Okay. Remember, we cannot use this because this is water gauge. Hindi na magamit. So ang kinahanglan nato gamiton is static sa air. So we know that gamma air H static sa air is equals to gamma water H water. Therefore, H static sa air is gamma water H water over gamma sa air. Therefore, ato ni substitute 3, static air power. Okay, so gamma air Q, so gamma water H water over gamma of air. So cancel. So mahimo na lang ni siya static air power. So meaning gikan ra gyapon na siya diri ha, ato lang i-substitutean gamma water Q H water. So muna na siya mahimo rong equation gikan ra na diri. Ato ra ning gibalyuhan. So na-cancel lang ang gamma sa air. So nag-result ani nga formula, no? Pero dili na nagpasabot nga water gyud atong i-consider. Atong i-consider isang static sa air. So where Q is equal to 2 feet by 3 feet times 20 feet per minute. Okay? So, we need this to be in seconds. And still, so we have Q therefore at approximately 2 cubic feet per second. So, nanatay. Okay, so going back to static air power, so we have gamma water Q H water. Okay. So we substitute, no? So this is in horsepower. So moagi tag English, no? Moagi tag English. 62.4 pound-force per cubic feet times 2 cubic feet per second times headwater of 3 inch, 3/12 feet na dayon. Okay. So cancel. So foot-pound per second. Okay, times 550 foot-pound per second, 1 horsepower. So cancel ang foot-pound per second. Cancel na. So ang answer will be static air power is 0.0567 horsepower. Actually, dali ra ni ang fans and blower. Ang problema raman ang pagsabot raman ani. Kini. Ana. Kay mo man ni makalibog kay kung di ninyo makuha ang concept ani, yung may hulo. Ano water man ni nga air man ni ang gipangita. Ngano nahimo may ko tay diretsoon ang solusyon kani diretso dayon. Na. Lah, water mo lagi na air man tuang sa air power. Actually gikan na dire ni substitute na siya din ha. So pag nakuha na ninyo ang concept sa fans and blowers, daog na ng fans and blowers. So moingon silang uban lisod ang fans and blowers. Lisod basta wala ninyo nakuha ang concept. Pero nakuha na ninyo ang concept kay uban di man kadawat. Anong na may headwater, anong na headwater kabaw na kadawat. Pero mahibaw-an na ninyo diha na siya gikan. Na-cancel na siya mo. Kay uban diretso man. Gamma water Q, it's water na. So, muna siya timan anana ninyo sa fans and blowers. Daog na dayon na siya. Okay, number 2. Muna to. Diha na-explain ng daganan sa fans and blowers. Okay, so apan ko delivers originally 4.7 cubic meter per second at a pressure of static pressure of 5.08 centimeter of water, no? When operating at a speed of 400 RPM, so muna siya mo original condition. So we have Q1, H1, and N1, no? So the power input required is 2.963 kilowatts. So we have also P1. If 7.05 cubic meter per second, so atong pakusgan ang Q, which is Q2 of 7.05 cubic meter per second, and the desired are desired in the same pan, no? Usara ka pan, meaning for example, electric pan. So muna siya number 1, state 1. Karon i-click na ko ang to. I-click na ko ang to. Ano naman ni? Click na ko ang to. So nikusog ang kuan. Okay. So nikusog ang Q, no? Nya find ko no prepito in centimeter of water. Okay. So meaning head, pressure man, head, dili pa power to ha, pressure. So you know that from Q, H, P, in D 1 2 3 3 2 5 0 1 1. Okay, you know that H1 over H2 is equals to N1 over N2 squared. So, naataan ni head 1, which is kining 5.08 centimeter of water. We also have N1. Kini atong target. So, kung mo niya atong target, kini wala tana. So, solve for into. Okay. You know that Q and N, namatay Q1, nasa tay Q2. Is equals to N1 over N2. So, we have Q1 of 4.7 and we have Q2 of 7.05 equals N1 of 400 over N2. Therefore, N2 is 600 RPM. So now that we have N2, we can go back here. So we have H1 of 5.08 over H2, which is our target, is equals to 400 over 600 squared. Therefore, our heat to in centimeter of water is 11.43 centimeter water gauge. Okay, so that is basically everything about fans and blowers. So there is no cavitation because air do not boil. Okay, because air is already in gas state. So that is that ends our discussion on fans and blower. So thank you very much for listening. Do you have any clarification on fans and blowers? Ang importante ra gyud nakuha ninyo ang concept sa nganong nag-apil-apil ang headwater sa air. Pag nasabtan na ninyo, then matrace na ninyo, makakuha na mo, synthesize na mo sa mga problem. Kay niagi ni siya gingon ana. Okay, mo na siya may secret. So, kung wala na, turn on your cameras. Asa na ni? Okay, ato i-end ang presentation.